we are very much lucky enough that this particular platform has given us the opportunity to be together and to exchange the views and opinions. So on behalf of Institute of Hotel Management Gwalior, acting in the capacity of in charge principal, I would like to invite all the participants. I would like to congratulate all the participants for taking this opportunity to take part in the session of basic language training on Madhya Pradesh, Manipur, and Nagaland, and the subsequent live quiz, which is going to be organized very shortly under the effort, the great effort of Mr. Abhinav Bhatt. And I'm very sure that those who are joining today, they will be able to have a lot of knowledge enrichment session. And in general way, we have seen that most of us, they do not know many things about Manipur, Nagaland, and Madhya Pradesh. Specifically, the present generation, they might be having a lot of confusions as far as that knowledge is concerned. So if you go through this webinar, I'm very sure that you will be able to learn many things in terms of food, in terms of language, in terms of diversity, in terms of many more things. So I will request everybody to be very much concentrative and to pay your full attention so that you can get the maximum benefit out of it. So Mr. Narendra, if you want to add something to it.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, sir. And this is the opportunity given to the students by the Bhatt sir, and it's nice to know that all the students will get best knowledge and all the questions are related to MP and Manipur. So
right,
we are doing every year and this and this function as well, and from that a lot of students they learn, and then they will give the best answer as well.
Right.
So all the best, all the participants, and thank you, sir.
Okay, I've seen one thing that in between many participants they quit, but I will request that please don't quit. If you quit, you will not be able to gain the benefit out of it. So please stay till the end and try to gain the maximum knowledge, because if you miss out any even a single part of the session, maybe you are going to miss many things. So it's my sincere request to each and everybody, please do not quit. Okay, Mr. Bhatt, if you want to add anything.
Thank you, sir, for this inaugural session. I welcome to now our guest of honor, Mr. Agan Mishra from India Tourism. He has joined us. So it is a welcome and honor for us all. Welcome, sir, to our platform for all, having your time on this. To Agan Mishra, sir, I warmly welcome from my side to IHM Gwalior, and I request Bankim sir also to welcome to Agan Mishra sir as a guest of honor.
I welcome Mishra sir. Mishra sir, namaskar. So again, I would like to have this
namaskar. Thank you.
To express my heartfelt gratitude to India Tourism Indore, and that has happened only because of our respected Mishra sir. Mishra sir, welcome to the scene. Thank you, sir. Mr. Bhatt, now carry on.
Thank you, Mishra sir. So we now have a time already have been started. So we will now start our meeting for today. So basically, I just want to put some great idea why this webinar is going on and what is the importance of this webinar. So from my side, this webinar is for basically for learning the basic language of MP, Manipur, and Nagaland, the three states which has been combinedly joined together in day-to-day meeting. And these three states have been given to us from the Ministry of Tourism also to link each other and learn their culture, art, history, geography, and other various aspects related to three states. So this is the high time to all of us with this virtual platform to welcome all here and participate in. Already we got more than 220 participants in the all over India who participate in our quiz in the recently, which was held in the month of 8th June. And now this webinar is going on again with a combined effort of quiz competition has been organized. So I warmly welcome to all the participants who actively participate in this. It is a great to see that such kind of contribution they have in the interest according to the interest. So I warmly welcome to all. Thank you all. And now I request Mr. Priyanshu to go to our first quiz round. That will be start with the first round basis. So all participants are ready?
Yes, sir.
All participants are ready.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
the
sir.
best to all of you. All the best to all of you.
So much. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
So before starting, I'd like to tell all the participants, please turn your microphones or in your video calls.
Before starting, one more thing. We will display that the question. We will read that question, and that will also display in the PPT, which you can see. All of you can see the screen or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's visible.
So you easily can read that question from the screen and answer the question. You know all the team's rule. You already know that how the team is, right?
Yes, sir.
So we will start accordingly. The round one quiz first to all of you, which will be handled by our judging faculty. By me, I'm asking the question to you, and Mr. Naginder Singh will handle the question. We both will ask the question to you, and accordingly we will judge you after a certain moment of time. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So are you guys ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's a great pleasure. So you can know that this is a virtual platform. So team A, team B, team C, team D. So already you know your names. So I'm visible to everybody or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So all the best to all of you.
ID नहीं जा रहा.
Anybody have any problem? Please mute your mic if it is not. Please be attentive because you only get the 15 seconds to answer first question. Okay. So Narendra sir will ask the first question to you. Priyanshu, please open the first question to all of you. All the best to you.
Yes, sir. Round one is started.
Welcome all of you and all the best. Where the Vedaghat? Where is the Vedaghat?
Yes, sir. Your voice is breaking.
False location.
Narendra sir, your
Can every
Voice is breaking.
hello?
Narendra sir, your voice is breaking to all of you. Please keep moderate. Adjust your mic.
Okay. Where Vedaghat? Gundar false location. So can option you have 4 options.
Sir,
Don't answer. Don't answer till that question will finish.
This question is for team A.
So
can I answer? Sir, your voice is breaking. Can I answer? Hello?
Yeah, voice is coming or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, your voice is breaking. So can I answer?
All the participants are requested not to answer. It's according to the names. Please do not answer if it's for the first candidate, and please mute yourself when one of the students is answering. Please unmute yourself when your chance comes.
Let me show you the team record again. Here's the team. So answer according to these.
Okay, I am from team A. My name is Sushma PS. So the answer to this question is option D, Jabalpur.
okay.
Excuse me, sir, your voice
so-
is still breaking. I can't hear you properly.
So now the next question we ask by the Bhatt sir. Bhatt sir.
Yeah, my voice is coming or not? Hello, my voice is first coming or not?
Yes, sir.
It's coming.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
Please put your mic properly.
Tomorrow without me.
Priyanshu, next question, please. Name the largest temple in Khujrao. Mahakaleshwar Temple, Shri Bholanath Temple, Kandaraya Mahadev Temple, Linga Temple. Whoever the team it is, please answer the question. Those team. Name the largest temple in Khujrao. Mahakaleshwar Temple, Shri Bolana Temple, Kadavina Mahadeva Temple, Linga Temple. Options are there.
Team B.
Team B,
Yeah, option C, Kandariya Mahadeva Temple.
What's your name?
Manav
Yeah, right.
Agarwal.
Manak.
very right, Manav. Very right,
Manav.
Manav.
Yep. Okay, good.
Manav is the right answer.
Right
Thank
answer.
you.
Next question is biggest national park in Madhya Pradesh.
Sir, it is,
Uh,
sir, can I answer, sir? Team C. Sir,
Yeah. Team C. Team C.
Team
it's option B, Kanha National Park.
Kanha National Park is right answer. Next up, what's up?
I request all the participants to be a mic alert so that it will not be, it will be a little bit close. Don't go close it so that it will be, voice will break it up. Little bit away like this. So my question will be, the Gwalior Carnival is introduced in which year? The Gwalior Carnival is introduced in which year? 2010, 2013, 2012, 2011.
2012 is the right answer.
Please name your things.
I am Deepak.
Team
Team D.
Team D.
Deepak.
Team B. Okay, 2012 is the right answer.
Next question is again for Team A.
Name the largest natural wetland in North India.
Sir, your voice is still breaking.
Name the largest natural wetland in Northeast You can see the answer. Option is for with 2 lakh.
Sir, please repeat
Protect
the
lakh.
question. Your voice is still breaking.
Name the largest natural wetland in Northeast India. Answer is there.
Like,
Option is Vetu Lake and Loktak Lake, Yaralpat Lake, and Eco Lake.
sir, Loktak Lake.
Option
Is
B,
the right answer. Lake.
Loktak Lake.
Team B, Loktak Lake.
Team B.
Team B, Loktak Lake. Team A, Loktak Lake.
Team A, Loktak Lake. Okay,
Team B, Loktak
Team
Lake.
B is Loktak Lake.
Even answer.
Loktak.
Wait,
So we have
Sachin
answered
Team B, Loktak Lake. Team A.
Abey,
It's the right answer. Loktak Lake is the
Sir,
right answer.
someone Sachin Verma is presenting the screen. I am not able.
Sir, next question. But sir,
Sir, wait a minute. Someone named Sachin Verma is presenting his screen. Now I'm not able to show the screen. He's just
Please
sharing my
remove.
screen right now.
Okay.
so it's a request whenever somebody is giving the answer and as well as tell your name as well. Who is giving the answer from the team?
Sachin Verma, please remove your screen.
Okay, Priyanshu, I remove him. Please tell, display the screen. Priyanshu, display the question.
Yeah.
This question is Team B.
This is for which team, sir?
Team B. For
Team B. Team B.
Okay, okay, sir.
Who is
Kamal
the
Singh.
first, who is the first Olympian of Manipur? Neil
Sir, Nil
Kamal
Kamal
Singh,
Singh.
Thoiba
Sir, Team B.
Gujjata.
Team B, Neil Kamal Singh.
Sir, Team B, Neel Kumar Singh.
It's
Amita
okay,
Sahu.
right answer.
Yeah,
Right
right
answer.
answer. Right answer.
Well done.
Next
Okay,
question is
next question is Team C.
Team C, I go.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Which state is to the North Manipur?
Sir, Nagaland.
Sir, Team C, Nagaland.
Option C, Nagaland.
Team,
Application.
Please don't answer the question only for team purpose. Don't answer all.
yes, it's right answer. Good. Sir,
question
next
is-
question.
पता नहीं चला कौन क्वेश्चन दे रहा है.
Team D. Team D.
Okay. The question is the connect the world polo, Sangai, Nine Hills,
Sir,
and Ghatantiam,
Sir, the answer is Manipur. Anukriti Singh.
Manipur. Right answer.
Anukriti Team D.
Right answer. Right answer. Next question.
So next question, which country shares its border on the east side of the Nagaland?
Sir, Myanmar.
For the
Team Myanmar.
Myanmar.
Team A.
Myanmar.
Right answer.
Myanmar. Okay, right answer. So next question.
In which year Nagaland formed as a separate state of India? 1963, 1965, 1972.
Sir,
Sir, Team C, 1963.
1953.
B.
Sir, Team B.
Yes.
Sir, Team B. 1963.
Okay.
Right answer. Next
1963
is for
right answer.
Sir, Team
So
C.
next question is Team C. Next question. Total number of districts in Nagaland.
Sir, 11.
Sir,
Sir,
Team
Team C,
A.
11.
Team A. C. 11.
Team C, 11.
Sir,
11.
Team A.
Ruchi Yadav.
Right
11.
answer.
It's right answer.
Yeah, 11 is the right answer.
Yeah. Sir, next question.
Sir,
Okay, next question will be which one is
Sir,
the
B.
largest
B. Dimalpur.
city
Team
in
A.
our-
Sir,
अरे guys,
Guys, calm down.
guys, you are
You know the
Answer the
pattern
question.
that first group A, then B, then C, and then
Yes.
D has to answer. Please do not interrupt in between.
Yes,
Team D,
sequence by.
right, Dimapur.
Sir, Team D. Anukriti. The answer is Dimapur.
Okay. Right answer.
I already have given answer.
Right answer.
right answer Dimapur. Kindly maintain decorum and ask the question according to team, please. This is the round
Okay.
for quiz team guys only.
Okay, Team A. Identify the monuments which is showing on the screen. Asarfi Mahal, Ansari Bauli, Bauli, and Diyaka Mahal.
Team up. Time up, guys.
Time up.
Time up.
Time up.
Sir, it's
Answer,
option remember from another team answer. Sir, Team B.
Team B. Now this question is forwarded to
Sir, it's
Yeah, now this
Sir, Team B. Amisha Sahu. Can I answer, sir?
Team B can answer.
Yes, you can.
Sir, Andheri Boli. Team B. Amisha Sahu.
So can I answer the question? Team C?
Yes, sir.
Team C now.
Yes,
Sir, Ashwarya. The answer is Asharfi Mahal.
Asarfi Mahal. You are right.
Your
Team
answer is right.
C is right.
The next question is for Team B.
Next question is for Team B.
Identify the moment. Mahashivara Mahadeva Temple, Andheri Boli, Champa Boli, Darika Mahal.
Sir, Amisha Sahu. Champa Boli. Option C.
Your answer is wrong.
Pass,
Wrong.
pass. Pass.
Next.
Sir, this is for which team?
A.
Team C.
Sir, option A.
Team C, sir.
Hey, can I answer?
Team C can
Sir,
answer.
Team C. Sir,
Team
Team
C,
C, Akif.
Maheshwara Mahadeva Temple.
Maheshwara Mahadeva Temple, Akif.
Team C.
Yeah.
Team C.
Yeah,
Team C, Akif, Maheshwara Mahadeva Temple.
You're
that's the
right.
right answer. Right answer.
Ashwarya given the answer first. That's the point. Send it to her.
So team C now.
Yes, sir. Team C.
Team C.
Khajuraho.
Can I tell the answer? Sir, it's
Sir, Team C.
Khajuraho.
Akif.
Khajuraho temple. Sir, it's
Team C, Khajuraho.
Khajuraho temple.
It's Khajuraho temple. Khajuraho temple, team C.
Okay, fine. It's the right answer.
Okay, right
It's right
answer. Team C, Suruchi Yadav. Team D.
Question, sir.
Identify
Okay,
the
next.
moment. Identify the moment.
Sir, this is Sanchi
Team D.
Stupa.
Sanchi Stupa,
Sanchi
Team
Stupa. Team D. Sanchi Stupa.
Pratik Nai Sanchi Stupa.
Team D. Sanchi Stupa.
Team D.
Listen.
Question is that
Team D.
when the judge is saying that question is for team D, then please let D answer the question.
Sanchi Stupa, Pratik Nai.
Sir, Team D. Sanchi
Team D.
Stupa.
Okay, fine. It's right answer.
Okay. Next question again for Team A.
Team A. Next question is for the Team A. Is money.
Sir, Team A. State flower. State flower.
Right
Option A.
answer. It's right answer. Next question.
Identify this personality.
Sir, option A.
Please announce your team.
Sir, team B. Option A.
Right answer.
Yeah, right.
Amisha Sahu, sir.
Okay.
Right answer.
Identify the
Akif.
monuments.
Team C, Akif.
Now, question is for the Team C.
Yes, sir.
Kangla Fort.
Identify the Kangla Fort.
Sir, Kangla Fort. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Kangla
Yeah, it's
Fort.
right.
Team
Right
C.
answer.
Akif.
Next screen, please. Identify the
Team C.
place.
Sir, Team C.
Ident-
Akif.
Yes.
Team D now
Sirohi
need to
Lake.
answer.
Kindly answer the team.
Team D.
It is Sirohi Lake. Sirohi Lake.
Your answer is wrong, my friend.
Sir, can I answer?
Team
Can
A.
team B answer?
Sir, can I answer?
Team
Team C.
B
Akif.
answer.
Can I answer?
Team
Sir,
A
team B.
can
Sir, team B. Amisha Sahu.
Sir, Team B.
Can answer? Sir,
Yeah,
team B.
answer. Answer,
Team-
answer, please.
Team
A. Option
Cable
4.
and developer.
Team B answer is second one.
and
Amisha
developer.
Sahu.
Okay. Team B is right.
Amisha Sahu. The points ending for Amisha Sahu.
Amisha
Yes,
Sahu.
sir, it was me.
Okay.
Kabru Vachi na.
Next question is identify the monuments.
What do you mean?
Chengdu, Tuan, Hokkien, and Taikoo.
So can I answer? Team C.
Yeah. A.
No,
Team.
Team A.
Sir, Team A. Option C.
Team A, option C.
Answer is
Okay,
wrong, my
wait,
friend.
wait. Wait, yes, Team A answer is wrong. Team B answer.
Team B answer option.
Sir, option B. Sir, can I answer? Amisha Sahu. Can I
Team
answer?
B. Team B is the right answer. Option D.
Amisha Sahu.
Okay. Yeah. Now this is the for Team B.
Identify the Naga tribe. Identify this Naga tribe.
Sir, third option. Team B. Option 3.
Option C, sir. Option C.
Option 3.
Who is answering this?
Team C.
Sir, Amisha Sahu.
Team C.
Team C. Who answer this?
Team C. Amisha Sahu.
Okay. Team C, you are wrong answer, so you will be the
Team
minus.
C. Aishwarya Suresh. Answer is second form.
Team B.
Team C. Option 2.
Point is sent to Amisha Suresh. Your answer is right.
Photo को खोल ले.
Identify the ingredients.
क्या बात?
Cactus, sangu, bamboo shoot.
Team C is bamboo shoot.
Team
Amisha
C.
Suresh sent it to you again. Answer right.
It's bamboo suit, right?
Bamboo Suresh.
Right on.
Team C, Aishwarya Suresh.
Yes.
बोली क्या बोलूं?
Identify the ingredient.
Sir,
Please mention your
team B is black rice. Team B is black rice.
Black rice.
Sir, team A.
Team B, black rice.
Sir, team A.
Sir, team D black
Sir,
rice.
team A black rice.
Team B, black rice.
Sir, team
Sir,
D black rice.
black rice.
This question is D, guys. Team D has two answers.
Team D black rice. Pratik Naik.
Team D black rice.
Team B. B.
Team
yeah,
C,
black rice is the right. Black rice is the right
Yeah,
answer.
right answer. This question was for the
Nice.
team.
The round is finished. We will share you the results after a presentation on Manipuri language.
Kindly be there and gain a knowledge for Manipuri languages.
I would request Dilpreet to start the
Art slide.
Good evening to all present. My name is Dilpreet Kaur and I am a first year student of ISM Gwalior, and today I will brief you all about the different languages spoken in Madhya Pradesh. Hindi is the primary language of Madhya Pradesh and spoken in almost all parts of the Madhya Pradesh. There are so many poets and writers are belonging to this state. Hindi most common language which is spoken in government and private schools, colleges, offices and homes. Every year, Hindi Divas is celebrated on 14 September in Madhya Pradesh to promote and respect this language. It is also the international language of India and it is one of the ancient language of universe. Urdu. Urdu is not a common language as Hindi. It is basically spoken in those parts of Madhya Pradesh that are mainly dominated by communities belonging to the Muslim religion. Urdu is mainly spoken in Bhopal and is also spoken by the people of Kurwai and Burhanpur. Malwai. Malwai is mainly spoken by the people who belongs to the Malwai region. Malwai is the Rajasthani language and is spoken in the parts of Madhya Pradesh. Those are very close to the Rajasthan state. As we know, the boundaries of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh goes closely touching each other. Nimari. Nimari is spoken by the people who are belonging to the Nimar region of Madhya Pradesh. Nimar region lies at the adjacent to the Maharashtra state and is situated at the south of the Malwa region. Nimari is spoken in Barwai, East and West Nimar, and in some parts of the Dhar, Harai, and South Devas districts. Bundeli. Bundeli is spoken in the region. Those are very close to the Uttar Pradesh state. These regions are commonly known as Bundelkhand. Bundeli. Bundeli is the second most spoken language of Madhya Pradesh. The major towns where Bundeli is spoken are Jhansi, Datia, Tikamgarh, Lalitpur, and many more. Bagheli. Bagheli is spoken in Baghelkhand region, which is situated in the northeastern regions of Madhya Pradesh. Bagheli region includes Anuppur, Rewa, Satni, Shado, Siddhi, and Umari districts of Madhya Pradesh. In these districts, the Bagheli is commonly spoken by the people. Gondi, Katlo, Bili, Nihali, and Korku are the other languages spoken especially in tribal areas of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you all. Now my senior Abhishek sir will take this webinar forward. Thank you so much.
Sir, round two announcements.
We will announce it later, Priyanshu. Abhishek will continue.
Okay, sir.
Abhishek, please continue.
So thank you very much, sir. My name is Abhishek and I am the second year student from Aichim Gwalior, and I'm gonna tell you something about the languages of Nagaland. As we all know, Nagaland is the mountainous, scenic. Thank you very much. So I'd like to start with the Nagaland. My name is Abhishek. So as we all know, Nagaland is mountainous, scenic, and most linguistic diverse state. So thank you, Priyanshu. So I'd like to start with my topic, which is languages of Nagaland. So Nagaland is mountainous, scenic, and most linguistically diverse state, and a part of the Seven Sisters of India. It is the most linguistic state because, as per 2011 census, Nagaland effectively has 14 languages and 17 dialects, which is none of our states of India have. Although maximum languages people of the state speak Nagamis, several other languages of Naga also coexist in the state. So I would like to say you something most interesting aspect of Naga languages is the use of Sanskrit words. Most of the Naga languages use Sanskrit words in their language. Although English is the official language of the state and it's quite popular, and it is the only state which have official language is English. So now I would like to say you something about Nagamis. Nagamis is the most popular among spoken languages of Nagaland, widely spoken by the tribal people of the Nagaland. The Nagamis language is a mixture of different Naga languages, not just the Naga languages, also their neighbor and the native languages like Assamese, Meiteis, just from Manipur, and Bengali, all the native languages and the neighbor languages. It is the lingua franca of the Naga population, which is the interlink between all Naga languages. That's why Nagamis is the most popular and the most spoken languages in Nagaland. So now I would like to say you something about the Ao language. Ao language is one of the most important language in Nagaland, which is spoken by the largest number of people in the state. Some region of dialects like Mongpin, Chungli, Changki, etc. are the prominent among the Ao Naga language family. Among all the dialects, Chungli is the most widely spoken one, and the efforts are on to make it standard Ao Naga languages. It is one of the most important and mostly spoken language is Ao. So I would like to move on to the Tenedei, which is our next language. It is the one of the common language in India, and the Tenedi language of Naga is also known as Angami, which belongs to the Angami tribe, which is the most population of the Nagaland is. The Tenedi is considered as the standard and dialect among the Angami dialects. It has emerged as the most popular language among the Angami tribe, so it falls in the Sino-Tibetan language family, which is mostly spoken in the native of Nagaland. So thank you very much. That's all from my side about the Nagaland. So I would like to request Mr. Abhinav Bhatt sir to please carry it forward.
Thank you, Abhishek, for this wonderful knowledge sharing with you all the participants related to our Nagaland and language. To learn these languages are very much important to all the and get the knowledge about how these languages are important to all of you. So now next would be Miss Ananya will carry forward.
Thank you so much, Bhatt sir, for this opportunity. I will now brief you all about the languages and dialects of Manipur. Introduction. Manipuri language, Manipuri Meiteilon, also called Meitei, a Tibeto-Burman language spoken predominantly in Manipur, the northeastern state of India. Smaller speech communities exist in the Indian states of Assam, Mizoram, and Tripura, as well as in Bangladesh and Myanmar. There are approximately 1.5 million speakers of Manipuri, which is used as a lingua franca among the 29 recognition as an official or scheduled language of India. Manipuri has its own script, locally known as Meitei Mai. Manipur state and its surrounding are the locus from which the Tibeto-Burman family spread and diversified, making the genetic assignment of the region's languages very difficult. Next slide, please. In independent India, the language issue emerged as one of the most acute problems. Of various language movements broke out in India, Manipuri language movement is one of them. It is the anti-classical, anti-colonial, and state policy Celtic language movement. There were two kinds of Manipuri language movements that broke out in the states of Manipur and Assam in India during the 20th century. One kind was the language movement for introduction of Manipuri language as a vernacular in Manipur and medium of instruction in Manipur and Assam. Another was the language movement for inclusion of Manipuri language in 8th schedule of the constitution. Next slide, please. The origin of the name Meitei. The name Meitei, or its alternate spelling Meitei, is preferred by many native speakers of Meitei or Manipuri. Meitei may be a compound from me, M-A-N, plus they as separate. This term is used by most Western linguistic scholarship. The language is also referred to by the long conym Manipuri. The term is derived from name of the state of Manipur. Manipur itself has a mythological folk etymology in which a shining diamond called Mani in Sanskrit is thrown from the head of a snake god Vasuki, which spreads natural beauty throughout the land. Manipuri is the official name of the language for the Indian government and is issued by government institutions and non-Meitei authors. Next slide, please. Dialect. The Meitei language exhibits a degree of regional variation. However, in recent years, the broadening of communication as well as intermarriage has caused the dialect differences to become relatively insignificant. The only exceptions to this occurrence are the speech differences of the dialects found in Tripura, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. The exact number of dialects of Meitei is still unknown. And the three main dialects of Meitei are Loi, Bangla, and Meitei. Next slide. Meitei script. Meitei has its own script, which was used until the 18th century. Its earliest use is not known. Pamheba, the ruler of the Manipur kingdom who introduced Hinduism, banned the use of the Meitei script and adopted the Prakrit script. Now in school and colleges, the Prakrit script is gradually being replaced by the Meitei script. The local organizations have played a major role in spreading awareness about their own script. Latin script. There exists an informal but fairly consistent practical spelling of Meitei in Latin script. This spelling is used in the transcription of personal names and place names and is extensively used on the internet. It is also found in academic publications for the spelling of Meitei titles and the like. This spelling on the whole offers a transparent, unambiguous representation of the Meitei sound system, although the tones are usually not marked. Next slide, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Linguistic tradition. The culture involved with the Meitei language is rooted deeply with pride and tradition, based on having respect to the community leader. Young children who do not know about the tales that have been passed on from generation to generation are very regarding the history behind the ancient use of proverbs that defines the way conversation is held with the Meitei language. It is a way of expressing and telling stories and even using modern slang with old proverbs to communicate between one another. Next slide, please. As you can see on your screen, there are some common phrases used in Manipuri language or in Meitei language. To say welcome, they say it as Leng Shin Bi Rek Si. To say hello, they say it as Kurum Jari. How are you is pronounced as Nu Nangai Ribo. Long time no see is said as Udibek Kure. Where are you from is said as Neng Kedai De Ino. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ananya, for this wonderful effort of the language. You really appreciate that, that you give this wonderful knowledge to all of these participants here who are panelists also there. Some members are faculty members, and it's a great knowledge. And like the screen which has seen that, this is thank you. The screen is called Thagaut Chovi. This is a language actually which we really motivates how to learn the other states language, which gives the input to our confidence also. Thank you, Ananya, for this wonderful presentation from your side.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, now I request Priyanshu to move further.
Second round.
Round 2. So,
Yes, sir. Sir, just
round 1 winners, kindly announce that so that other people will not.
sir, just doing that.
Kindly minimize your things and then you can screen that. Kindly remove your screen and then you can type and then you can see that.
Yes.
Hello, people are there? Students are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes, sir.
So you guys are waiting for the round 1 quiz. We will announce the result to you. So all of you be alert. So after this round, we will ask the question to only those who are selected. Rest can mute their voice.
Could select you. Who cover?
Another. Okay.
Please mute your voice till that time. Please mute your voice. Very warm welcome to Mr. Manoj Yadav, sir, who just joined us as senior lecturer, sir, and very warm welcome to you, sir, in our quiz competition. Thank you. So, are you guys ready for the results?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, curiosity is there. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Priyanshu is there.
Yes, sir.
So, result is ready with us.
Yes, sir. Result is ready.
Please display the screen so that everybody can read it, and after that we will start the quiz. Second round only for them, those who are selected.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So I'm displaying the results now.
May I request all the students, please display your video also so that you can see the results. So here we are, round 1 winners. Aishwarya Suresh, 5. Astha Yadav, Surchi Yadav, Amisha Singh, Anukriti Singh, Pranit Naik. These are the final. Congratulations to all the police one round winners. Please see these results.
Excuse
Thank you, sir.
me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is not here. It's Anusha Sahu. No,
Ma'am, we will correct it after later on. Don't worry about that. This is the only formal reason. Not worry about it. We will do it well. So you know all the things now. Priyanshu, kindly display again the 6 participants. I request you. So that those people
Yes,
only kindly display that sheets again. The round one. So these are the students who now go to the further round. Narendra sir, please note that.
Yeah.
So these are the final round winners. We will go to the second round quiz in this. Round 2 start. Narendra sir, first question.
Yes. Display the. Okay. Bhagoria is the traditional folk dance.
Sir, answer it, Pratik Naik. Answer it.
Option A.
Sir, team A.
Take the name of the student.
Okay, listen everyone carefully. Just we'll ask that. Okay, this is for the group A. Then answer only group A and decide from the one person can answer, but don't interfere like a team B or team C. Don't interrupt in between of that. So we can write the name as well who is giving the answer.
Excuse me, Narendra sir.
Yes.
Narendra sir, for the second round, we don't have any groups now. You just have to take the name of the student and ask that student the question. Nobody will answer.
Okay. So give the name.
I think
Suresh or anyone.
I'm kindly interrupt again. I'm kindly interrupt again with a request to all the participants. Now you know your name, so kindly before answering announce your name so that we can rectify properly.
Yes.
Questions are asked according to this name sequence.
So ask the questions
we are-
according to the sequence, please.
So first question.
First question for us.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first question is Bhagoria is the traditional folk dance of which tribes?
Sir, can I answer?
Can I
Yeah,
answer?
Ashwarya.
Option A, Bhil.
Option A, Bill. Yeah.
Next.
It's right answer. Sir, next question. Sir, next question.
Yeah. Kindly display. So, how many alphabet are there in Methi Maik script? Option 1, 27. Option 2, 26. Option 3, 23. Option D, 20. So, kindly
So the
announce
same
your...
question is for me.
No,
So-
the question is
It's for the next contestant, or it's for me, sir.
Asta.
Okay, okay, sir.
Asta. Next one.
So option B, 26.
Are you sure? Are you sure, Asta?
So 27. Option A.
Final answer.
sorry, you.
Final answer. Kindly display the answer. And
Sir, I think Astha's time is up. He already did the wrong answer. The question is step forward to the other candidate.
next candidate, please.
Surchi.
Surchi.
You can answer. Surchi, you can answer now. Priyanshu, I think time.
Yes, sir. Then we have to forward it to the next candidate.
Next is Amisha.
Sir, it's option C, 23.
Okay. Next question. Next is what is
Yes, Amisha is also.
Akriti. Question is for the Akriti.
Sir, it's Anukriti. Correct.
Anukriti.
Yeah. So the answer is option D, 20.
Look, can I answer?
The right
answer,
answer is 27. All of you guys are wrong.
All the guys are wrong, so no answer, no more repeated question for this.
Okay.
All guys are wrong. All no marks will be given in this number.
Next question.
I didn't.
For a third person.
Can I answer? Can I answer?
Special provision of Surchi.
Can I answer?
Yes, Surchi can answer.
Hello?
Surchi.
Suruchi.
Sir, Suruchi is not there.
That girl is not there.
That girl is not here.
Sir,
Please
next
pass.
is my turn.
Sir, can I
Sir,
answer?
next is Amisha
Sir,
Sahu. Can I answer? Next is my turn.
Yes.
Yeah.
Question Amita Sahu.
Sir, yes, sir. So it's 317A, option C.
Yeah,
317A.
Sir, I have a small
Next.
doubt to this
Yeah.
question. Sir,
Yeah,
is
yeah,
it not? I read it somewhere that it is 371A.
Yes, sir, it's 371A, not 317A.
I said
Yeah.
I said
The option
317.
is wrong.
Yeah, so it's 371, right, sir?
Yeah,
It's
371.
371A, exactly.
371.
Okay.
But the option it
It's 371.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The next question.
Sir, I got the mark or not?
Yeah, you got the mark.
Which was the capital of Madhya Pradesh before 1st
Anisa.
November? The question is for
Sir, it's
Anup.
A, Gwalior, Amisha Sahu. Oh, sir, it's my turn.
It's the question was
Sir,
for
it's my turn, Amisha Sahu. Sir, it's my turn. I already said the answer. It's Gwalior.
Okay. Who is the answering this question? Who answered?
Sir, Amisha Sahu. Amisha Sahu.
Amisha
Okay, you
Sahu.
answered wrong. Okay,
Sir,
next
can I
question.
Can I answer?
Next.
This is passed to, I think
Sir.
it's passed to me.
Sir, now it's my turn.
I
na?
think it's passed to me. It's passed to me, Anukriti.
This is the last Pratik Nai.
Yeah, the answer is Indore, B.
Anukriti.
Sir, can I
Yes.
answer?
Yeah,
Anukriti
Indore,
wrong.
B, Indore.
Yes,
Wrong.
Next one is
Can I answer?
The question.
Sir, can I answer?
Yes.
Sir, can I answer?
Can
Aishwarya
I
Suresh?
answer?
Aishwarya, yes.
Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, you can answer.
Sir, the answer is
Aishwarya. Listen,
Nagpur.
Aishwarya, you can answer.
Yes, sir, the answer is Nagpur.
Aishwarya, right? Yeah.
Aishwarya is right.
Aishwarya is
Nagpur.
right. Okay, next. What official language of Manipur?
This is for whom?
Question for the Aishwarya.
Oh, sir, it's my turn? Okay, sir. The
Sir,
Sir,
yes,
can I
sir, the
answer?
Anukriti.
Aishwarya
Anukriti, the answer
It's
is
my
A,
turn.
Manipuri. Anukriti.
Can I answer?
This is not good.
Sir, this question is for me, right? Aishwarya Suresh?
Sir, question is for Pratik Nai or?
The question is for Aishwarya Suresh.
It's for me because the question was passed, so it's for me, Anukriti.
A question was passed already.
Yeah.
So this
Yeah.
question
This is for me, Anukriti.
Aishwarya Suresh, can I answer?
Anukriti.
The answer is A, Manipuri.
Sir, can I answer Aishwarya Suresh?
Wait. Anukriti, you are wrong. Now you can go
Sir,
for the
can I
next.
answer? Sir, can I answer?
Answer.
Sir,
Can I answer?
Sir, B.
So what's about the
Sir,
Pratik
option
Nai?
B.
Pratik Nai is not given an answer.
Sir, option B. Astha, option B.
Astha.
Sorry,
It was not-
Astha's turn.
It was not your turn, basically.
So now it's my turn, na?
So is it whose turn is it
So
right
this is
now?
Pratik Nai.
It's Astha's Yadav's turn.
Yes.
So
It's
option B, I
Astha
already
Yadav.
told.
Okay.
Option B.
Okay, option B, right?
Yeah.
So,
The next.
sir, excuse me, sir. So I'm not getting any chance.
Priyank,
Sir, can I answer?
Pratik Nai is not getting a chance, so please look it.
Okay.
Which is the highest?
Sir,
Which
it's
is the
my turn,
highest
I
point?
guess.
Excuse me, guys.
Can you please mention the person?
Excuse me, guys. Guys, listen
Hello.
carefully now. Pratik Nai will give the chance to this for this
I
now.
am not-
Which is the highest? Pratik
Yes,
Nai.
sir.
please answer this question. Which is the highest point of
Answer C.
Nagaland?
Answer C. Answer C.
Kindly
Saramati.
display the answer. Kindly display the answer, right or not.
Yes, sir.
It's a right answer. Points
Yes.
to Pratik Naik. Please note down.
Question again. So this question is for Aishwarya Suresh.
Okay, sir.
Next
Aishwarya,
question will go to Aishwarya. Kindly, Priyanshu, announce
Which
the name
dialect?
first.
Which
Okay,
dialect
sir.
is spoken by maximum number of people in Madhya Pradesh? Bundeli, Malvi, Nemadi, or Bagheli?
Sir, option A, Bundeli.
You're right,
Right answer.
Aishwarya.
Next question is for Astha Yadav.
Yes, sir.
How do we welcome is being pronounced in Methilian? Option: Lengestim BC, Lekvi, Chetlisi, and Chatprio. How do you welcome is being pronounced in Methilian? Kindly answer the Asta. Asta, you
It's option A.
You're right.
option. Asta, right answer.
Next question is for Amisha Singh.
Amisha Singh. Okay. In
Yes,
which
sir.
year did Nagaland form a separate state of India?
Sir, it's option A, 1963.
Is the right answer?
Next question is
Yes.
for Suruchi Yadav. I think Suruchi Yadav is gone. That's why next question is for Anukriti Singh.
The answer is
Can I answer?
the answer
Which
is
place in Madhya Pradesh? Which place in Madhya Pradesh is known for festival of dancer? Anukriti,
the
please.
answer is Khajurao. Khajurao.
Right answer.
Anukriti, your right answer.
Next question is for Pratik Naik.
Pratik,
Yes, sir.
what is the state animal of Manipur?
Sir, can I
State
answer?
animal of Manipur. Wait. Pratik.
Answer Pratik Naik.
Sir, answer C.
Answer C. You are
Can I answer?
Answer C.
You are
Can I
wrong.
answer? Sir, can I answer?
Just
Sir,
wait.
can I
Just wait.
answer?
Guys, Aishwarya, please maintain the decorum.
Yeah.
Guys,
First is question is going to be Aishwarya. You can answer, Aishwarya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The
My turn.
answer is option A. Option A, Sangai.
Yeah, it's option A is Sangai.
Okay, right answer. Next question is for Aishwarya again.
Okay, sir.
My turn.
next question किसको?
It's going to be
So it's my turn. Astha.
Whose turn is it right now?
Aishwarya's
turn. Okay.
is last.
Aishwarya.
And is going to Aishwarya, and after Aishwarya,
Then Astha.
Is it my turn? Is it my turn? Astha.
Aishwarya Suresh.
Aishwarya.
Okay, sir. Can I answer this question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Sir, the answer is Dimapur. Dimapur.
yeah, it's
It's a right answer.
also is right answer.
Yes.
Okay. The next question is for Yadav.
Yes, sir.
It's done.
Sorry, all the questions are finished for this round. Check the
Now
result
round 3.
and okay, so give me a minute. Let me get the results. Where's my
Daddy, 4:30 the time. Please, Daddy. Okay. Hello. So round has finished. Quiz.
Yes, we are about to let me get the results for the third round. Then we will start the third round.
No, before third round, go with the whatever the formalities we have left for the webinar.
Yes, sir.
Kindly do that first.
Okay, sir. So, okay, Ananya ma'am.
Ananya,
Yes.
please take forward.
Sir, we have completed the languages on all the 3 states.
Okay, good. So now here we have the Vikram Singh alumni from IHM Gwalior. He is with the faculty of member of the IHM Guwahati. So I request Vikram to do some, from his side, he wants to do some welcome speech to all. So I request Vikram to come. I request Vikram to come and say something related to our participants who participate in this quiz. Vikram Singh. Vikram Singh is there.
Sir. Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, but your video is not visible to us.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's clear, I think.
Okay.
Vikram, go ahead, please.
Thank you, sir. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much, IHM Gwalior, for inviting me for the combined session of webinar and quiz. I am Vikram Singh. I graduated from IHM Gwalior in the year 2011. After graduating from IHM Gwalior, I have served a small tenure of 2.5 years with the Leela Ambience Hotel Gurugram, after which I decided to join IHM Gurdaspur as a faculty member. I am currently working at IHM Guwahati as an assistant lecturer. So, without taking much of your time, I would like to ask you a question. Student, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're very much audible. Vikram, go ahead.
Okay. Dear students, what attributes do you think are the key to success? I'm giving you 20 seconds. You can write your answer in the chat box. I'm repeating once again. This question is especially for the students. What attribute do you think are the key to success? The students who are participating in the quiz can write their answer in the chat box. Yeah, I'm getting the response from your side. Anukriti is writing focus, good. Aishwarya is writing passion and hard work towards the goal. And Mohammed Salman is writing focus, correct. Any more answers from your side? Yes, Amisha is saying smart work. Yes, good.
Focus, people are there.
Yes. Okay, so regarding this, now I would like to narrate you a small story. The story is based in Vijaypur. Vijaypur is a small town in the northern part of India. The town proudly owns a post office. Since it is a fairly smaller town, majority driven by agriculture, the residents are not well educated to an extent that they cannot write a letter of their own. Raju was the only hope people had when it comes down to writing letter. Raju was amongst handful of people who scored distinction in the matric exam and have an understanding of grammar, diction, and calligraphy. Unlike most of Raju's fellow students who went out of the town, Raju stayed back and sat outside the post office. Raju writes letter for a nominal rate. Years went by and Raju kept on doing the same job, unaware about what was happening around him. While Raju was doing his job, the rest of the world evolved and the globe was introduced to internet and email. Slowly came down to India at first and Vijaypur a few years later. People now do not send letters to their prospective employers, friends, and relatives. As a result, Raju slowly saw a decline in his daily income, which eventually turned out to be negligible. So, dear students who are participating in this quiz, I would like to ask, what do you think was Raju's mistake in this story? I'm repeating once again the story I narrated. What do you think was Raju's mistake? You can write your answer in the chat box if you wish to answer.
Kindly answer from your side if somebody is interested. Vikram sir, continue please. If
Yes,
somebody.
yes. Okay, according to me, Raju in the above scenario lacked self-evaluation. He was a writer of par excellence.
दो और आए हैं, एक आज सबसे पहले तो ऐश्वर्या है, दूसरे नंबर पे
Priyanshu, I'm requesting. Priyanshu, I'm requesting. Priyanshu.
किसका नाम है?
Priyanshu, please mute yourself.
I mute him. Vikram, continue.
Yes, thank you, sir. According to me, Raju in the above scenario lacked self-evaluation. He was a writer of par excellence, blessed with a beautiful calligraphy, and has achieved amazing understanding on grammar and diction. Having said that, he never evaluated himself against what was happening around him. With a lot of conviction, I can say that in today's time and age, the biggest challenge which we face is the question of our relevance as time passes by. The answer to this relies on self-evaluation, which I believe is the first and foremost step towards success. The next important thing is learning. We all know that the learning is a never-ending process, but somehow we stop willful learning after we have crossed a certain age or have achieved employment. Even in Raju's case, the same problem existed. He stopped upgrading his skills, which led him to unemployment. I personally believe that at least 15 minutes a day should be given to willful learning. This time can be used to read a book, solve a puzzle, answer a quiz, or for that matter, anything which you are interested. I'm currently attending quiz and webinars to enhance my learning. At the last attribute which one must have is motivation. COVID-19 and lockdown has once again highlighted how important mental health is. We all should train our mind to be optimistic. We must do what we like and have short-term and long-term goals. Achievement of these goals should be rewarded to stay motivated. To sum up, I would once again mention the 3 attributes important for being successful and to ensure personal growth are self-evaluation, constant learning, and motivation. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Vikram, for such a motivation speech to all of the participants who are here, whosoever it is. And it's a great, again, and it's my privilege to be, you are one of my junior in my time, and it's a great that you are doing a fantastic career in your life. All the best to you, all of you in your career. And kindly keep motivating to all the students from your side and our side also. Thank you so much, Vikram, for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Now I request another alumni speech, Ms. Gagi Datta, who has joined us. I think she will be also motivating to you for this kind of webinar and how important it is for current now the situation it is. So I request Ms. Gagi Datta, if she is there, to tell the participants from her side. Over to Ms. Gagi Datta.
Thanks, Abhinav. Firstly, I would like to give my kind regards to Mr. Jordar, I think, who's just joined in. Das, sir, all of you, all my senior faculty. This is my alma mater, so it's always nice to have every and any opportunity to speak at this forum. And thanks, Abhinav, you being my batchmate. I totally, rejoice every interaction that we have. So something that, of course, I'll be having a session on the 18th, which is already scheduled, but something which me and Abhinav were discussing, and we both felt that this is the need of the hour and we must address it through this webinar, was about the importance of mental health, which I think the speaker before me, Vikram, also highlighted. We all know what has happened yesterday, and we're still reeling from the shock of it. Of course, he's a celebrity figure, which is why we all are getting a lot of news about it on the media. and everywhere. But of course, the sensitivity of the whole matter is not there, with people sharing all sorts of photographs and posts and whatnot. So, first and the foremost thing that I would like to mention here is that since because he's a celebrity, we are aware that something like this has happened, and we are all now making our own assumptions. But let me tell you one thing, and this is not what I am just saying in the hindsight, that in India, as per the survey, we are one of the most emotionally challenged and depressed nations when we talk about people dealing with mental health issues, because we don't like to talk about it. We feel that अगर किसी को कुछ mental issue है तो वो पागल है. That's how we resonated with, and I'm being very candid when I share this. So it's time that we rise above all these issues, and especially a pandemic is a situation when not only your three quotients, which we all know about, which is intelligence, emotional, and the third question, the fourth question, which is added on to this, is your adversity quotient, which I was just reading about today. It was there in the speaking tree. If you ever get a chance, please read about it today. It was something which actually made a lot of sense to me, because we all talk about just the three quotient that we know about, which our psychologists say, which is the intelligence quotient, कि आप कितने intelligent हैं, emotional quotient, that which is your ability to maintain, relationships and peace with others, social quotient, which was the third quotient that I was forgetting, which is the ability to build a network of friends and maintain it over a long period of time. And the most important quotient in today's time is the adversity quotient, which is the fourth quotient, which is the measure of your ability to go through a rough patch in your life and come out without losing your mind. This pandemic right now is a very adverse situation, and we are going through times which we have never, unprecedented times, जो हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था. So it is very, very important that we talk, we communicate, but that does not mean that we just talk anything and everything. But whatever is going on in your head, talk to your mentors, talk to your teachers, share how you're feeling. The problem is that we, because of the fear of getting judged, we don't talk. Please communicate, please talk to each other. An old friend who you haven't spoken to in a longer time, pick up the phone and check on them. Message people, that's also a way to connect. But all I want to give you as a piece of advice is that don't hold on things to yourself. And without taking much of your time, I would just like to end with this, particular thought, that your life is your own responsibility. My emotions are my own responsibility. But there are a lot of people in this world who are suffering, who we do not know about. Please talk, because when they are gone, when you lose your loved ones, you are just left with grief and remorse of not picking the phone and talking to them. So do that. And thank you very much, Abhinav, and to all my senior faculty. Take care. And can I just mute myself, Abhinav? Is that okay now?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Gargi. Thank you, Ms. Gargi, for joining us this today and giving a little bit about the speech, which is called very right now in the front and is very much requirement. Thank you, Ms. Gargi, for joining us. Now I request to Priyanshu to our last quiz round, which will be the make us to give the winner or runner-up round. So request the quiz finalists are there. You can see that screen from it. Aishwarya Suresh, IHM Chennai. Congratulations, Aishwarya. She's there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Asta Yadav, Lady Arvind College. She second. Asta is there.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Asta.
Yes,
Amisha
sir. Thank you.
Sahu. Amisha Sahu is there.
Yes, sir.
IHM Bhopal. Kindly can you video on so that we can
Yes,
be
sir.
visible to you. Amisha Sahu. So these are three top finalists we got from the quiz. Rest can also join us. Don't worry. Don't worry about this, that we got all the result and rest are not selected. All are equivalent to each other. There's no hard past of that. I congratulate to all the participants who participate in this quiz, and those who are selected, they are also congratulated from my side. But there's a hope for all, and you just keep participating and such kind of platform and join us in the future also. Okay. Am I audible?
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
So we will quickly start before our time will end us. We will quickly start with three students who are there. We will answer one question. Am I right? Priyanshu is there. Priyanshu is there.
Yes, sir. One question will be asked.
So,
And the fourth question, if all the three answered, then we have a last 4 question.
okay. So who will answer the first question and who will be answer next? Please display that so that confusion will not.
Suresh, then Astha Yadav, then Amisha Sahu.
So Narendra sir, be ready for the.
Yeah. Okay. Sir, anything is time is limit because 15 seconds, so we can judge by the time who is giving the first answer in the time. So Priyanshu Shukla just calculate as well as the time seconds who is giving the first answer.
Sir, I have
Yes,
a doubt.
yes, Aishwarya, please.
If for each individual or one question will be asked and 3 of us have the opportunity to say at the same time?
No.
No.
One by one.
Okay. Okay,
One
sir.
by one. One by one only.
Yes, sir.
So Priyanshu, just make the time just stopwatch and
Yeah,
who is
yeah.
giving the first answer in the second, so we can give them number according to that. Yeah.
Priyanshu is there.
Priyanshu.
Okay, sir. I will note the time also.
Yeah, time because it's a 15 second and who will give the first answer? Wait. Huh? Okay. Aishwarya, you are
yes.
ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the name of
Sir, Mithun.
Right answer.
It's right answer.
Second, Astha Yadav.
Second is Astha Yadav. You are ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Next question, sir.
What is the state flower of Madhya Pradesh? Bhutia, Rose, Arjun, Mahua. What is the state flower of Madhya Pradesh?
Maua.
Wrong
you are
answer.
Any answer?
No, Aishwarya, please.
Sir, it's my turn.
Okay, sir.
It's Amisha Sahu.
Sir, it's A.
Bhutia.
Okay.
Right answer.
Bhutia,
Yeah.
Amisha Sahu. Amisha Sahu is the right answer. Aishwarya, don't interrupt during the quiz.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Next question, sir.
Next question
is for Amisha, right?
Sir,
Yes,
Amisha
sir.
Sahu.
Amisha Sahu. Next question is for Amisha Sahu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Which is India's biggest war?
Sir, it's option C, Impal War Cemetery.
Your answer is wrong. The question is forward to the.
Can I answer? Sir,
Aishwarya.
the answer is Kohima War Cemetery.
Who is
Your
answer?
answer is right.
Who answered this? Aishwarya, right?
Aishwarya.
Okay.
Sir, can I?
Okay. It's right answer.
The next question is time break. Who will reply the first? Get the chance to answer.
Guys, three the students are there. So finally listen. When we ask the participant first, when he do not answer, then we pass again. Don't interrupt between that. Can I answer? Can I answer?
Yeah. We'll give the name. The person who is going to be the next answer. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Next,
For the next question, I displayed the question. You all have to write the answer in chat box, and who will give the answer first will select it.
Next question, Priyanshu.
Yes, sir. Aishwarya Suresh given the right answer.
Yeah. And she gave the right answer.
Next question.
It's done, sir.
The question is all ended.
It's done. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Sir, in 5 minutes we will organize the result.
Sure. I request till now, please remove the screen first, Priyanshu. I request Bankim
Yes,
sir
sir.
to congratulate all the participants who are here. Mr. Bankim sir,
So screen is removed.
I request Bankim sir to congratulate
Yes,
all the
yes.
participants.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. You are very
Everybody?
much. Yes, sir.
Okay,
You are.
okay. So again, I'm very much overwhelmed to see that most of the participants, they have participated in the best possible manner, and it's really a session which is very much rejoicing and rejoiceable, I will say. And but I have also learned many things out of this session. And how did you like the session? If I ask Ananya, how did you like it? Ananya?
Actually, very good session. All the participants, they participated actively. So I
Okay.
really
Yes, yes, it's very much knowledge enriching also. Now, I will request everybody to like take part in the subsequent sessions. Also, I am like in a under the instruction of sending the notifications to each and every student regarding the series of webinars. So I will request all of you to take part in the webinar, because during this lockdown session, the only thing which we can do is to increase our knowledge and don't feel like down, but don't feel obstructed with the time. Let us go ahead and ahead. Okay. So I again thank all of you, along with Mr. Bhatt, Mr. Narendra, and other teaching staff members, our respected principal sir, that is Das sir, and I will look forward for similar kind of cooperation in future also. So I will conclude here. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe, stay nice, be happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Bankim sir, for this wonderful speech. Thank you, Nagendra sir, for coordinating. It's a pleasure to always to be coordinated. And once again, the congratulations to all the participants. The result will be announced shortly to you, and who will be the winner and who will be participant. All who participate also get the e-certificate, a participation certificate, and those who winner, they will get a different certificate from their email IDs. So I will congratulations to all the participants who participate us, and winner also, and as well as runner ups also, and keep participating in this future webinar with us.
Thank you, Abhinav.
And Narendra sir, you want to add something, so please go ahead. We have the
Thank you, sir. And this till the time that our result is going to be closed, and I would like to thanks everyone who's participated us. And, hello.
Go ahead, sir, please. Fastly, because people are going. Narendra sir?
It's a connectivity problem, I think.
I think he has a connectivity problem. So it's a now closing session now. Almost we had done it. Thank you, Bankim sir, for supporting always us. And Narendra sir is also there. So keep motivating to all the participants. I hope this webinar will learn us and enrich us in future also.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I request Das sir, if it is possible, he is listening to us. He's keep motivating us, and request to him also for future webinar, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, now we will share the results in your respective email IDs, those who have got selected.
Sir, results are ready. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Hello.
Because some participants left, I think.
So some left, but last 3 are here. So I think we have.
Yeah, kindly display the result, who's the winner and who's the runner, so that we will close this webinar now.
Yes, sir.
Before that, I will just, if Aishwarya is there. Aishwarya Suresh, IHM Chennai. Is she there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kindly share your feedback, and Asta also. I just want to hear feedback also, so that we will improvise more.
Sir, thank you so much for conducting a session like this, because this is a really good platform, because I never knew much about the eastern states, as I'm in the south, and many of the people don't have much knowledge about it. And this is thank you for this opportunity, so I could gain knowledge from that side too. Thank you, sir.
Pleasure is mine. Asta,
Oh,
please
yeah.
be.
Yes, sir. So thank you for the opportunity. I got so much knowledge, and I thank you all for taking it to this level. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Asta.
And seeking for the more opportunities like this, and appreciating more conducting webinars from your side.
Definitely. Kindly be participated. Next, the third candidate we have here, Amisha Sahu. Please speak something
Yes,
related to.
Thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful opportunity, for giving it to me. And I hope that I will again, I will have any opportunity again to conduct this quiz or anything like that. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Amisha. Keep participating.
So can I display now?
Yeah. Go ahead. We are waiting for that only. So first position, Aishwarya Suresh, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
First participating, you got selected first. Very quiz. That is great. Keep
Thank you,
motivating others also, and keep participating with us. Keep joining with us in future. We will be
Sure,
allowed
sir.
to do that.
Looking forward to more. Thank you, sir.
And second position, Amisha Sahu, IHM Bhopal. Congratulations, IHM Bhopal.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's a great. Keep participating. Third position, Asta Yadav. Third position, Asta. You are also
Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
So we will now take this. Runner will be IHM Bhopal, and for IHM Chennai is the winner up. So thank you all for keep participating in this such kind of platform in webinars, and thank you so much for your participation. Thank you. We will give the e-certificates to your email ID within a week's time.
Thank you so much, sir.
We will
Thank
issue.
you so much, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you, Prantik. Thank you all the participants who keep participating this institute. If you want to say something, please go ahead. Otherwise, we'll wind up now. Thank you all. Priyanshu, I request to remove the screen now.
Yes.